Hey guys, welcome to our channel Wizard of Graphics. My name is Matt Kestri. Today I'll show you how to create photo manipulation like this. So first of all, open your image. If you want this image, you can check description. Copy this image by pressing Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus C. Paste here by pressing Ctrl plus V and transform this image by pressing Ctrl plus. Now create mask. Invert this mask by pressing Ctrl plus I. Now select brush tool. Foreground should be white and paint over the reflections. Change black and paint extra. I want this layer darker, so create brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Click the and increase the contrast. Now fade hue and saturation. Invert this mask by pressing Ctrl plus I. Again brush tool and paint over the sky.